Hey friends, welcome back to Cooking with Aubrey. Today, we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna shake it up a bit, okay? So we're gonna do hot chocolate bombs, right? They're like going crazy. Like last year was the first time I saw these things. I was like, oh, that's so cool. And I wanted to make them last year, but then like, I just never got around to it. So like this year, I'm gonna do it. And we're gonna do two different kinds. We're gonna do like a regular hot chocolate bomb, and then I'm gonna do like a salted caramel chocolate bomb. I've never made this before, so it's probably gonna be a hot mess. So you guys love the hot mess video, so here we go. Let's get started. For the salted caramel, we need to make caramel sauce, right? So I'm gonna actually do this first because it's gonna be like hot when it's done, you know? So it needs to cool down a little bit so it doesn't melt the chocolate when we're putting it in the bomb, okay? So it's so easy, it's 2 ingredients, sugar and cream. That's it. So I've got the sugar on the stove. Just turn on the heat. So we're going to want to stir the sugar as it's melting. You're gonna let this melt until it gets the color that like you want it to be, and then we're gonna like add in the cream. So it's been cooking for about 3 minutes on medium heat, and you can see it starting to melt. Now you wanna be very careful. You wanna make sure that you don't actually touch any of the melting sugar, because the sugar will harden onto your finger or whatever body part. Yeah, I've seen someone do that before, and it wasn't a good time for them. Now that the sugar is really melting, you just want to keep stirring it. You don't want to walk away from it for too long. It's been cooking down for about 5 minutes now. Okay, I'm going to start adding the cream now because this is the color I want it to be. And I'm probably going to need a half cup, but I'm only going to add 1/4 cup at first because I'm going to do 2 things. I'm going to have some caramel on top of the hot chocolate bombs to like kind of like make it look pretty, and I want that to be like thicker so it hardens nicely. And then the sauce on the inside, I want that to be a little bit more like saucy. I am not a baking professional, just so you guys know. I can't remember if these clumps go away or not, or if I should have made sure there were no clumps before cooking the sugar. I don't know, but no, it got clumpy because it was cooking. I don't know. See, I'm not a real baker, guys. We're gonna figure it out. All right, guys, I just went back and looked at my notes. I'm pretty sure this was all supposed to be smooth before I added the cream. So I'm gonna dump this and then start over again. Okay, it's coming together nicely now. I'm gonna wait this time till all the clumps are gone. If you can hear some obnoxious sound in the background, I apologize. It sounds like above me, they're like doing something up. I always pick the times to film when there's like crap going on. Okay, so it's all done dissolving snow. I'm actually gonna turn off the heat now. And then again, I'm only gonna add in like 1/4 cup. Mix this in first. Woo! Look at that. Look at it. The heat is off. I know it looks like it's not, but it is. Ooh, this smells so good, guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna set this aside in a bowl, just a little bit of it. And then I'm gonna finish it off with just a touch of butter. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, yeah, I am gonna finish it off with a little bit of butter. I don't know, we're gonna call that a tablespoon. I have no idea, y'all. Okay. Look at that, that's what I wanted. That is what I wanted right there. I don't know what I was doing the first time, guys. It's my first time having homemade caramel sauce in ages. It's so easy. So good. I can't believe I messed it up the first time. Funny story about caramel sauce. Okay, my best friend Brooke, love her. She's amazing. She's an intelligent woman. Although we all have our weaknesses. Hers happens to be cooking. I was having her make caramel sauce. I said the only thing you have to do is stir. You can't mess it up. She's stirring, goes out, it gets in her eyeball. That's why I said don't touch it when it's hot. And it hardens on her eyeball. On her, like the worst possible like thing that could have happened. I'm like, you had what? Just all you had to do was stir. Next, we gotta melt the chocolate. So I'm actually gonna do 1 chocolate right now, but this is just semi-sweet chocolate from Enjoy Life. I don't know. I've never had this brand. I don't even know if it's any good. but we're gonna find out. It's just a regular bag of it. And I'm just gonna melt this in the microwave. You just wanna be careful. Use glass if you can because it tends to melt a little bit better. So I'm just gonna keep putting it in the microwave for like every 30 seconds. I'm gonna like stir it just because, you know, microwaves don't cook everything evenly and you don't wanna overcook the chocolate because then it won't be nice and melty. It will be like chunky. We've got our chocolate. It's all nice and melty. And then I've got these molds. And then I just have them on a sheet pan. So like, you know, so that there's like something on them. I mean, like you can like pick up and shit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So for this, I'm just going to wing it, use a spoon. And I think I'll probably have to do like 2 like layers, like to make sure it's like thick enough without it being like too thick. I don't want to put too much chocolate, but you don't want to put too little chocolate. I guess it doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah, because you can't see the inside, Aubrey. Okay. You're just going to see the outside. Okay. I was like trying to make it like really smooth on the inside. And I guess I probably should. I don't know. My inner perfectionist is coming out. Like, go back to where the hell you came from, because I feel like I'm just gonna give myself a headache if I try to make this perfect. Okay, so I just did 5. Well, it's gonna make 5. At least I hope it makes 5. So I have the first layer, so you wanna make sure that you're looking at it from all angles to make sure that it's all covered, because you can't have a hole, right? Because then it wouldn't be a sphere. So I'm gonna do 1 layer, and then I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. I'm gonna let this harden. Then I'm gonna go back around and kind of get more on the sides, because I'm worried that the sides won't be thick enough. Like the bottom's thick enough, because obviously it all like goes down to the bottom naturally. So I'm just gonna let this cool and harden and then add a second layer. Okay, so these were in the freezer actually, and they're nice and hardened. So these are actually, like, I just like want to look to see like what I'm working with here. Ooh. Okay, so as you can see, it's starting to break at the top there, so it wasn't thick enough. And that's what I was worried about, those sides. Remember, I was saying I worried about these sides not being thick enough? Okay, so with that in mind, we're gonna go ahead and do another layer, and I'm going to focus just on the sides and not on the bottom. And if some runs to the bottom, that's okay. I mean, I can't help that really. But I just really want to strengthen the sides of these. Otherwise, I'm afraid it's not gonna work. Okay, so I've like went back through and kind of reinforced the sides. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but I'm gonna put these back in the freezer now until they're all hardened. Okay, so I wanted to have a little bit of fun this as well, because as I was grabbing those molds in my cabinet, I found my gummy bear molds. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell because they're all one color. So I'm just gonna, I don't even know, I guess I'm just gonna fill these and then just scrape it. I don't want to do the whole thing, only like some of them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so this is called a bench scraper. So I'm literally just going to scrape. Oh, that can't work so nice. No, we don't. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh shit. That's not good. I don't want there to be any air bubbles. I didn't think about that. Now I'm gonna put these in the fridge to cool down as well. Are you guys excited to see how these gummy bears came out? Because I am. Okay, let's or I keep calling them gummy bears, not, they're chocolate bears. The chocolate bears. Oh, they're so cute. It worked. Wow, how fun. Okay, so now it's time for the verdict. Let's see what happens here. We're gonna pop it out. Wow, I did it. Okay, so I can kind of see in the, I don't know, I don't have a light to strengthen it, but there's like a little spots at the bottom that didn't get covered as much as I had hoped, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna pop all these out. Oh, I did it. I'm so proud of myself. So these are all of them taken out. Oh, they look good. Okay, so for the filling, we're gonna use hot chocolate mix. This is dark hot chocolate mix by Equal Exchange. And then I've got marshmallows, of course. That's like my favorite part. I'm a marshmallow alcoholic. Not Marshaholic. Mellowholic. I don't know. I'm one of those things. Anyway, my favorite brand of marshmallows does not make the tiny ones to my knowledge. So, guess who didn't get their favorite brand? Me. Again, I've never had these either, so this is like a whole bunch of firsts for me. I don't do this baking crap. Let's try these marshmallows, see if they're Aubrey approved. They're pretty tasty. All right, I'll let it slide. So, I'm gonna do like one regular with just this crap, you know? I'm gonna do a salted caramel one. And the salted caramel one is gonna have salt and caramel, and this is gonna have all the goods. So time for assembly. I have a pan here that I just heated the bottom of the pan. I'm trying to get everything in one shot. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'll take it and I'm gonna melt the edges using the pan. Okay, it's nice and melted. All right, now you want to work quickly because you're gonna, okay. I feel rushed. All right, we've got the cocoa in there. We've got the marshmallows. Okay, and then now you have to take another one of these, and again, you want to melt it, and then go like that. You want to line it. I don't want to ruin it, but you want to line it up, right? I don't know. I think it's fine. I think so. Okay, now time for the salted caramel ones, and that one's gonna make me even more nervous because we have more ingredients for that one. All right, get that good caramel in there. Ooh, a little bit of the powder. Oh, some salt. I don't know, that looks like enough. I'm gonna put the marshmallows on as much as I can, and then melt down another one. Okay. Getting these to line up perfect is, I got to, ooh, look, that one I didn't do super well. It gets the job done still. All right, so these are the finished balls. I wanted to give you guys a side view. So they don't line up like perfectly, but it's okay because like this doesn't have to like hold in liquid or anything. So like all the ingredients are going to stay put. I'm actually just gonna put this back in the freezer for a few more minutes just to harden them back up. We're gonna do the salted caramel ones first. I have that, remember how I took out just like a little bit of that caramel sauce before I had finished putting that heavy cream in? So what that means for this, it's going to be thicker when it hardens and it's gonna be better to like top it. It won't be like as gooey. So this is gonna get messy, guys. I'm just gonna do a drizzle. Oh my God, this looks so fucking good, man. Oh my God. Sign me up. Oh my God, guys, take a look at this. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Okay, maybe that was too much, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of salt on top. No? No. So, okay, that was just a practice one. I mean, it still looks really good, but not as pretty as I'd like. Okay, that's okay. We're gonna go do the next one now. Oh no, it's melting through. Oh no. Oh my God, it's melting through on this one too. No. 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 Oh my God, it had so much potential. What do I even do with this one? Do I just leave it? What did I just do to myself, y'all? Oh my gosh. So I do it again. All right, guys, here's a money shot. I'm gonna do the salted caramel one and add Kahlua. Okay. Oh, wow, it bubbled up. Oh, look at this. Oh, how fun, the marshmallows just came up. Oh, fun. I like this. Oh, gosh, look at that. Oh, look at that caramel. Oh, my gosh. Guys, look at that caramel. Oh, my gosh. This is amazing. You know, I was just thinking to myself this wasn't worth the effort, but I might be wrong. I guess we have to wait until we try it. I'm just trying to melt all the chocolate. Oh, this is just a hot half and half, by the way. So half and half is just half milk, half cream, I'm pretty sure. I don't actually know, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Okay, now I'm gonna add some Kahlua. Okay, now we can finally taste the fruits of our labor. Oh my gosh, some caramel. Okay. Wow, it's actually not bad. I didn't think I was actually gonna like this. I'm not gonna lie. But I thought it was like really fun, so I wanted to do it because of that. It's actually pretty good. It's not that bad. I'm not a sweets person, so I just feel like I couldn't, if I wasn't like having a craving for this, I don't think I could finish it just because it is like really sweet. This turned out better than I thought it would. All right, you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye, guys.